So in today's lesson, we're going to be turning fractions into decimals, and we're going to start off by turning tenths into decimals. Now, as you know, tenths are any fractions where the denominator is 10. So as you learned in the previous video, decimals are special types of fractions, and we can show fractions as decimals when the denominator is 10. So for example, 4 tenths as a decimal is 0.4. Whereas 10 tenths would be the whole as a fraction, and 1 would be the whole as a decimal or as a number. So today's photo activity, we're going to have a look and see how many ways we can show a decimal. So I'm going to use an example of 8 tenths, which as a decimal is 0.8. So here is one way. I have a 10 bar, and in those 10 bars, I have 8 0.1 counters. Now altogether, that makes 0.8, and you can see that is less than 1. Now in this example, I've used a number line. The number line goes from 0 to 1, and on every integer, it is a 0.1 step. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, all the way to 1. So this arrow here shows 0.8. Here is a square. Now this square has been cut into 100 parts, but there are 10 columns, and 8 of those columns are blue. So of the whole square, 0.8 of it is in blue. And finally, this is 1 bar. The value of the bar is 1. The bar has been cut into 10 smaller parts, and 8 of those have been coloured in. So 0.8 of the bar has been coloured in. So for your photo activity, you're going to use the decimal 0.6, and you're going to see how many different ways can you show the decimal number. I want you to draw pictures of it, and then, or you could make something, and then take a photo and send it to your teacher via Seesaw. We look forward to seeing them get creative.